Hello friends, I'm showing you this mouse jiggler. This is a 100% undetectable jiggler. So you say if you're in a conference or you're doing some work where you have to be online or show your presence online, you can just put it in this jiggler so that your mouse pointer will be move here and there and you will not go to the idle or inactive state. So it's pretty nice these days, as working remotely. And you can just add in this USB-C cable here, and this comes with this adapter. This one is additional one, USB-C to USB thing, and additional pad for this because this is like a mouse pad, small one. So I just on it and you can see the light is on, so the LED light is on, and this have like different timer thing that I will show you later on. And this different light, and with this is also a USB hub, so it have 4 USB, 2 each side, so you can also use any USB charging device or something to use that. So this is the power button, you just on it and this will start working. So basically this will move a bit here and there, and you can show like the mouse pointer, it will just not move in a one direction, so that is pretty good. And you can see this is all, so this is the timer thing, like for 0, 10, 20, 30 seconds or whatever minutes you want to use. And with the USB it's pretty nice, so all is like every time it will be on. So this is how like you put the mouse on top of it, and you can see on my laptop that how the cursor is moving. So this will keep you active in your online meetings, and also any of your presence like Teams or something. So you have to push them out in this slant way, and then you see like if you put there will be always a different movement, it's not like the same movement every time. So this is pretty nice to show you active all the time, even if you're not near to your mouse or your keyboard. It's a good cheat code, I will say, and very helpful for this online presence. So the light looks really nice, and you can see this how this is moving, and you have to put the sensor on top of it like as a mouse pad, and then it will work. And you can see it here, if you press this on and off button, you can set the different timer thing here. So pretty much very nice and helpful thing for the online meetings.